In this lesson, I want to talk about what blockchain technology is and how it works. Blockchain is a decentralized distributed ledger technology that allows for secure and transparent record-keeping of digital transactions. It consists of a growing list of records called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. Blockchain works by allowing multiple parties to maintain and validate a shared ledger of transactions without the need for a central authority. When a transaction is made, it is broadcasted to a network of computers called nodes that validate the transaction and add it to the blockchain. The validation process involves solving complex mathematical algorithms which ensures the security and integrity of the transactions. Once a block is added to the blockchain, the information it contains is permanent and unalterable, as changing one block would require changing all subsequent blocks, which would require consensus from the majority of the nodes in the network. This creates a secure and transparent record of all transactions, which can be easily audited and verified by anyone in the network. So let's go over the different types of blockchain. So some of the most common types of blockchain are public blockchain, and this is open to anyone, and anyone can participate in the network as a node or miner. Bitcoin is the most well-known example of a public blockchain. We have private blockchains, and this is restricted to a select group of participants, and access to the network is granted only through invitation or permission. Private blockchains are often used by businesses and organizations for internal record keeping and other applications. We have consortium blockchain. This is a hybrid of public and private blockchains where a group of organizations collectively own and operate the network. So consortium blockchains are often used in industries such as finance and supply chain management. Next, we have permissioned blockchain, and this is similar to private blockchain, but it has the added feature that only certain nodes are authorized to validate transactions and maintain the ledger. We also have a hybrid blockchain, and this is a combination of public and private blockchains, where some parts of the network are open to the public, while others are restricted to specific participants. Then we have proof of work, and proof of work blockchain uses a consensus mechanism in which nodes compete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Bitcoin uses a proof of work consensus mechanism. This is different to a proof of stake blockchain, whereas a proof of stake blockchain uses a consensus mechanism in which nodes are selected to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain based on the amount of stake they hold in the network. And lastly, I'll just describe the delegated proof of stake, which uses a consensus mechanism in which a select group of nodes known as delegates are chosen to validate transactions and maintain the ledger. Each type of blockchain has its own unique features and benefits, and the choice of blockchain depends on the specific needs and requirements of the application.